Welcome to this demo of Niral.ai, an advanced AI-powered design-to-code automation platform. In this video, we'll explore how it seamlessly transforms Figma designs into clean, production-ready front-end code in just a few steps. Simplify development with DICE, our seamless four-step approach. Step 1. Design in Figma. Step 2. Import to Niral.ai. Step 3. Configure the components. Step 4. Execute to generate production-ready code. With DICE, no more manual coding. Let's roll the dice and see it in action. Step 1. Design. We've chosen 4 key Figma UI screens for an auction portal: login, list, detail, and dashboard. These contain forms, tables, buttons, and dynamic components that will convert into functional code. Step 2. Import. First, we log into Niral.ai and create a new project. We select the desired JavaScript framework, React, Angular, Vue, or React Native, for code generation. Then, we enter the Figma design URL and provide an authentication token. In seconds, Niral processes the design and generates the corresponding front-end code. For seamless design updates, we offer both design-level and page-level resync options, making it easy to sync changes from Figma effortlessly. Next, Step 3. Configure the UI for functionality. We ensure full responsiveness across devices, including tablets and mobile screens. Then, we create modules and set up component property bindings to structure the application. Data binding is enabled for form fields and variables, ensuring seamless user interactions. We set up state management and actions for buttons, inputs, and other dynamic elements. To handle dynamic content, we iterate repeatable elements like lists and tables, defining conditions for elements based on business logic. Every component supports event triggers, enabling everything from click actions to real-time updates. Finally, we integrate API binding using OpenAPI 3.0 standards for real-time data connectivity. To complete the setup, we configure page navigation, ensuring smooth transitions between screens. Step 4. Execute to generate clean, production-ready code. With all configurations in place, we generate the final front-end code. The entire project is now available in the respective front-end frameworks: React, Angular, Vue, or React Native. The generated code can be committed directly to Git, keeping the development process seamless and fully integrated. Finally, we download the entire project folder, ready for further development, testing, or deployment to production. In 4 steps, we transformed a Figma design into production-ready front-end code. Experience Niral.ai and accelerate your development workflow today.